Hey guys, it's Miss Marnon. So I'm going to show you how to set up your Delta Math account. So this is something we're going to start using in math class kind of for extra practice, and it will help make sure that we're learning all of those little skills along the way. So the first thing you need to do is go to deltamath.com. Once you're on this website, in the top right, it says create account, and then you're going to select student. Once you get here, it wants the teacher access code. For my classes, my access code is 434504. Once you type in the code, it will say my name right here. So see, it says Miss Marnon, so you know you typed in the right number. Now you need to select which class period. So I'm going to set up somebody's account that's in my first period right now. So I'm going to set up Mason's account. So I'm going to put in his first name and his last name. Now I got to put in his email. So I'm putting in his school email address. So that's what we normally use, but you also need to put in the @scsd.us. This verify just means they want us to type it twice to make sure that we typed it right. When they verify, it just means that if we type something wrong, if there's a difference between the two, it'll tell us. But as long as we type it the same, it will work. And then I'm going to use Mason's school password. Again, we have to type it twice, so I'm going to put his password here and then again here, because if there's any, like if I have a typo and they're different, it will tell me. But because I've typed it the same, I'm going to hit create account. And it says it must be 8 characters in length. So this is what's going to happen to most of us. So what we're going to do is, because your password uses your birthday, add on the 2 years of the year you were born. So like I was born in 93, so I would put in 93 at the end. So I'm going to put in Mason's number here. So now it's his full birthday, and I'm going to hit create account. Now it will work. So when that issue happens, but if you do it and you did your normal school password, make sure you add those 2 numbers for the year you were born at the end. So most of us, I think that's going to be like 2008, 2007. So 08 and 07. It says your account has been created successfully. I can click OK. And now I have an account, and then I can sign in as Mason. Type in his password that we just made. And I'm not going to save it. And it says your teacher's not created any assignments. So once we start getting assignments, they'll pop up right here at the top, and you'll be able to see what you have and what you haven't done. And we'll talk more about that in later videos.